everyone, my name is Ev. I don't care if you guys recognize my voice, so I'm gonna go over deep wit.
By the way, guys, I like to say something.
Shut up! Shut your trap! I will slap you, because we live right by each other. So,
you start the YouTube channel. But
we both have original YouTube channels. Done. Now, what video game are we playing today, Chris? I think we should play Speedrun 4.
We're playing Roblox.
Yeah.
And first thing I have to say is that Evan, we have to redo this video like 4 times because it keeps on forgetting to record it.
Whatever. We're playing Murder Mystery. No talk about it. Chris,
you just asked me to pick what we're playing.
Well, I picked Chris. So, we're playing Murder Mystery.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
No, we're not.
Guys, give me a minute because we're going to have an argument right here. Okay, guys, we're back. So, Chris has finally agreed. I forced him. Screw you.
Alright. By the way, guys, his name is Evan Creedon.
Shut up. Okay, your name is CJ Vloggers Johnson. And if you say one more goddamn thing, I will do an address reveal.
I'll do an address reveal right back, buddy.
You know what? We're just going to be creating a game today.
No, we're not. We're going to be playing freeze tag.
Screw you. Why don't we make our own freeze tag, huh?
No, we're going to be playing.
I did not make Avengers.
Join my damn game.
Fine. You nickapoop. Admin. So much free admin.
You just said the N-word on camera.
I said nickapoop.
What was that again?
Nickapoop.
Nickapoop.
Hey, what's your language? We're trying to run a business.
You said that!
I said nick-a-poop. You said nig-a-poop.
Nig-a-poop.
Nig. Put a G-A at the end.
Nig-a-poop.
Yes. We don't want to get demonetized, Chris.
Nig-a-poop.
We're getting demonetized.
Nig-a-poop.
BRB.
By the way, guys, he hacks his subs. Cookies first
Okay, I'm back.
Customize my avatar.
I'm already in the game. I don't know why. Why do I move so funky?
Because this game's so laggy. Why'd you pick this?
You picked this, you idiot. Whatever. Why do I run like this?
I don't know.
Parkour.
Sorry,
Do some parkour.
What did Tony do right?
Who's Tony?
Yeah, what the hell? What did Tony ever do right?
I suck. I am better at iPhone than this.
Evan, I just jumped right on you, and I think I'm gonna complete it.
I think I'm gonna complete it on my phone.
Oh, shit.
How about I just record myself on my phone?
You know, this is gonna take a while.
For me?
For me, I'm on a computer too. Come on.
I'm not used to playing on computer.
I'm not used to doing parkour jumps like this.
You know what? Screw the parkour. Screw the parkour. I'm not doing that. Whatever. When is the ROM gonna be over? I don't want to purchase this.
Alright, whoever beats the parkour wins.
I already bought this on my phone.
Focus, skeletons dancing in the woods.
Crap, I can't even get rid of this.
Come here, parkour's easier.
I gotta reset my character. You cannot reset your character in this.
Come here, the parkour's easy.
I want to get this thing out of my face. Wait, boost your selection? What the hell is this?
I'm I'm gonna do
Click on an image to change your self-selection for this round.
Alright, you will be a runner for this round.
I'm a runner.
Alright, I hope you are.
We got a runner.
We got a runner.
We got a runner, Billy boy. Billy boy, I'm a runner.
Where are you?
Wait, so that means the red team's it? Wait, so that means the red team's the taggers?
Where are you?
I'm right here. Hey,
Come on.
who's the freezers?
I bought a little game pass.
No!
Ah!
Oh,
I bought a little game pass.
for what?
To get out of the race.
What? That's cheating!
It's called using Robux wisely.
Oh, whatever.
Hey.
What do you want? Chinese food. What'd you say? What? Feed, Tyson? Okay, hold on. I have an idea. Each time we die, we have to do a dare.
Alright, which is?
No, the person whoever dies first, that they have to pick a dare for the other person, for the person who died.
And what happens if the other person doesn't do it?
Then they're a nickapoo.
Oh, I got a crate. I got 2 crates.
Where are you?
I don't know, I'm just running.
You're just running. Oh, and by the way, that rule starts now.
But all the taggers are mine. Oh, I got X-ray vision.
X-ray site.
How do I have X-ray vision?
What's X-ray site?
Oh, I can't use X-ray vision. Wait, I'm it.
Yeah, you died.
What's up, Evan?
What do you want, Billy boy?
Whoa, I just fell the hole.
Oh wait, so we both died.
Yeah, but I think you died first.
I think you died first.
I think you died first.
You died first. Wait, what the? Crate contents? What is this?
Well, who's doing the day? Tim's not doing there.
We're gonna have to do rock, paper, scissors, Chris.
No, you're gonna have to do it.
What do I get? What do I get? What do I get? What did I get?
Come on!
A beard, beard. Yes, a beard. Oh, what the hell?
You just got a beer, what? Yeah, I gotcha. Gotcha.
Hasta la vista, baby. Sayonara. Oh snap! I'm kidding.
It's hacking.
You can't edit during a round. I want to edit.
This kid got Robux.
You got Robux. I want men's facial hair. I'm hungry, aren't you? I'm in the mood for fruit. Why is the round still going on if everyone's it?
Come back here.
I would be surprised if
I'm chasing a survivor.
I would be surprised if someone actually is still alive.
I got him again.
Again.
No, there's someone alive. I didn't escape again. He keeps refusing the game pass for 5 Robux. He's running down the street. He's going into the main street. He's in the store and he's cornered.
Wait, there's a store? Oh, I know what you're talking about. Oh, I found him! Come over here.
Is he gone?
I got him.
What?
We're gonna have to babysit. I'm babysitting.
No, he runs. Like, that's what he does.
Wait, that must be a thing you got. You have to
No,
babysit!
Yo. I don't think he's escaping.
Got him.
now.
Get him!
Yeah, come on, I swear to God.
I'd probably be boss if I was on iPhone right now. Got him.
This kid's so
Don't let him
bad.
escape. Get him! Yes!
Moving first,
That guy must have wasted a lot of Robux.
no, like only 50. And there's so many people at the parkour. Like, it's so hard to do the parkour now because I keep on hitting people.
Well, I want this.
I'm getting the best boost.
I have the speed boost. I am a runner.
There's only two. Two.
Ooh, you senora, you taste nice.
Where are you?
I think Izzy's in the game.
No, she's not.
Never mind. It's just a random blonde noob. Go.
What's up? I gotta see you.
Come on, follow me. You see me? I got cash on my head. Because I'm rich. I'm rich as fuck.
Yeah, my Roblox character's cooler.
Except I'm hotter.
Evan?
Save our friends. Save him. Or them. I saved her. Saved her.
Now we running!
Tell me when you get tagged. I'm still a survivor. I'm a survivor.
Ripping chat.
Congratulations, you've earned a free rare crate.
Get me
Okay.
out! Yes! I was about to become hit, but someone saved me.
No! Hey, at least I got a chest I can open in the meantime.
Oh wait, you got it. You have to do it there.
I just got a free chest. This girl saved me. I was literally on a 1 and then she unfreezed me. Where are you?
Where are you?
Where are you? I am hot and I'm single. I'm single, ready to mingle.
That is inappropriate.
I am ready to mingle. I actually heard a girl say,
Well, no, what is a girl? What is
"Are you single?"
Hey, let me go.
Just to let you guys know, me and Chris, we are exes to 2 people. Maybe.
Yeah, they did the same
I'm
person.
exes to like 6 people.
I have a lot of exes.
Oh, really? Name all of them.
Two of them I had in preschool.
I don't care about the preschool. Just tell me them.
I forgot her name. I think one was blonde, one was like brown hair. Bella, Kendra.
Oh, so if I expel it, if she dated you, she's gonna say yes?
Yeah, she's no joke dating me.
She just dated you?
She dated me.
She dated you? Chris, you hated her.
In first or second grade.
First.
Yeah, first.
Alright, let's see here. I had a girlfriend in kindergarten. I had a girlfriend in 2nd grade. I had a girlfriend in 3rd grade. I had a girlfriend in 4th grade. And in preschool. Yeah.
Name their names.
Okay, ooh. Let's see. Logan, Samantha, Nicole. That lasted like 2 seconds because I literally hated her so much. Izzy, Elizabeth, Ava.
Elizabeth.
She's in my pre-K.
Follow.
And